What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Mark here with the Crypto Mark. Let's do a little bit of different format here. I'm away from the office, but I want to talk to you guys in the backyard on the patio, closing up this 4th of July weekend. Let's get into some talk, as we want to talk Shiba Inu here in this video, and what's happening with Kusama. Why is he in India? What's in store for Shib? We're going to get into that, as well as some of the whale activity that I'm seeing right here in the market. So let's get down into it. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about the price. Shiba Inu up 2.88% on the day, so continuing a nice run to the green, 401,598. So brushing on that 4016 level, where we all were talking about kind of this fall off after Mount Gox, and now we are seem to be back up and running. But let's get into Shib talk and tell you guys exactly what's up with Kusama. Before we do, make sure you guys are all subscribed to the channel. Make sure you guys smash that like button, and please subscribe for more. We do talk crypto every single day. So what's happening is Kusama recently made a first public appearance in Japan, now gearing up for an event in India. So what is going on? Within this announcement, this is another way for Shib globally to announce his presence. Me personally, in terms of seeing leads for cryptos, kind of is a mixed bag, because if you truly want to be decentralized, what role is this actually doing? Why do we have this, and why do we care? So it is kind of newsworthy. We're talking about this appearance that he made in the IVS conference in Japan, and when he was there, that's where he made his first public appearance, also teasing a couple things. Okay, next stop is Mumbai, and moreover, we're seeing a lot of viral community photos and videos of this kind of public appearance, if you will. So that is something where you see a lot of the enthusiasm of Shib worldwide and globally, within Japan and in India. Very big in India, first off. So this is a big thing to kind of spread that global adoption, increase wallet size and holders, addresses, all that good stuff. So, shaking hands with a lot of community members. That's something where we see this meeting and why it's so crucial for these partnerships within Shib. So if this continues, I don't know. It's been something where, we've seen this milestone and strategic move. It's something where it hasn't really been, I guess, received in terms of like a 10%. We saw a 15% comeback rebound for Shib yesterday, but was that actually something due to Kusama? Probably not. More so with the market rebounding in a more broader stroke. So let's talk about that, and then we'll get into Shib within these whale movements that we're noticing on chain. So also, I do want to tell you guys, not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence, okay? These are just my opinions. So that's something to note about within Kusama. Next stop is Mumbai, so we're going to have coverage with that. But within whales, we're seeing 176% activity surge here on the charts. This is something where you've seen a surge in activity. These are large holders, right? So we've seen this increase 176+% in the last 24 hours. So that's reaching 4.18 trillion Shiba Inu, roughly equating to $62.57 million in monetary terms, okay? And now for a large transaction to be considered a whale movement, that is something greater than $100,000. So that's been what we've been noticing on chain. That's kind of why the price has been driving higher, in my opinion. And the reason for this is quite unknown. But is this a level where Shib is comfortable at? Is where Shib is too low for the whales to ignore? Most likely, okay? So that's kind of what we've seen, kind of this rebound from a bearish week in crypto, where we had all these liquidations coming from the Mount Gox, kind of bankruptcy ruling, kind of concluding, right? But as that's said, okay, whales are probably accumulating Shiba Inu, all right, anticipating future price surges. They're getting ahead of the market. I always talk about on the channel, I tell you guys, follow the whales, follow the money. That's what we're seeing with Shib. The next stop along the way is that 4016 up to 4019. That is the range where I look for our next resistance. If we do break through that 19 level, that's where we're hit 20, and that will be where we look for Shib to continue to be more bullish. So let's see if this activity continues to surge. I think that historically we do see these whales moving, and then all of a sudden, we get some buyback, we get some momentum from the retail side of it. So what it comes down to, though, mainly is the amount of Shib holders that are currently into the green. That number cannot be ignored. I know the whales are buying, but it is still a very strong support level for SHIB. So this buy wall that we're creating, it's something to kind of celebrate in a sense. I'd much rather have this than the opposite. So I did want to share with you guys kind of what's happening with all things Shiba Inu today. Hopefully you guys all had a great 4th of July weekend if you're located in the States. If not, I hope you guys still had a great weekend as well. But we're going to continue to monitor SHIB right here on the channel. Subscribe for more updates every single day. We talk Shiba Inu basically here on the channel and all of your other favorite cryptos. So subscribe for more, and we'll see you guys all in the next video. Cheers.